the leader from the ACDP, and I would like you to welcome the leader, Reverend Kenneth Meshwe.
Long live South Africans, long live. Long live Abatuabat, long live. Well, the ACDP is here this morning in solidarity with all South Africans who are concerned about the increases that are throttling people, increases that are making life to be very, very difficult for South Africans. Now, it is important to realize and to note that the petrol that is used in neighboring countries is supplied by South Africa. Now, I want to read to you how they charge petrol in Swaziland, Lesotho, Botswana, and the others. Shockingly, the very countries that are supplied by South Africa are cheaper than South Africa. Now, in Botswana, petrol costs 10 rand 91 cents per liter, 10 rand. And Botswana gets petrol from where? From South Africa. Then in Lesotho, petrol costs 11 rands 5 cents. And it's a guy that petrol in Lesotho from South Africa. In Swaziland, petrol costs 12 rand 78 rand. And all that petrol comes from where? South Africa. But in South Africa, we are charged 15 rands 47 cents. And we say today as ACDP, it is too much. It is too much. We must say to governments, this is unaffordable. Because of price increases of petrol, taxis, they increase their fares. All delivery vans, they increase their fares. The journeys they are not becoming cheaper. They are becoming more expensive because of this petrol that is going up. Now, one of the reasons why petrol is cheaper in Botswana, in Lesotho, and in Swaziland than in South Africa is because those countries care for their citizens. They care for their citizens. They subsidize petrol. But we have a government that does not care for its people. And therefore, as South Africans, we must say, if our government does not care for us, that government, my government. South Africa deserves a government that cares for all its people. And one of the indications that government must show to demonstrate that they care, they must absorb the increases. We hear that they are increasing the prices because of the rand-dollar exchange. But the fact is, if government is willing, if there is political willing, they will absorb all that increases so that petrol in South Africa will become affordable. Now, it is important that we remind government that these countries that are supplying petrol, and they are cheaper because they care for their people. We give you notice, if you do not reduce the price of petrol, then government next year is going to get out of power and will get a new government that cares for South Africans, a government that cares for people. Lastly, friends, let me say, you all deserve better. You all deserve better. 1994, they promised a better life. How many have enjoyed a better life? How many? None of us. We are suffering, and the suffering is increasing. Now, ACDP proposes that there must be a cap where petrol price does not go beyond that figure. And if it would go according to my wish, 13 rand would be a cap, that petrol would never be more than 13 rands. How many South Africans would be happy with that? We say if petrol is capped, the South Africans can truly have a better life. But let's send a message, a very strong message to government, that either you listen to us and care for us, or we are going to kick you out. Because there are countries around us that care for their people. Government must care for you. If they don't care, know that we care for you. We are here today because we care for you. May your voice be heard loud and clear. Stop the tax attack. Stop the tax attack. Stop the fuel levy. As the mayor has said, we want to know where does all this money go to. We do not want this money to go into the hands, into the pockets of the thieves. As we know, we have many thieves that are in government offices. And we are saying we are tired of paying money that goes into the pockets of the thieves. Down with fuel levy, down. Down with fuel levy, down. Down with corruption, down. Down with corruption, down. Puma government, ANC, Puma. Puma, ANC, Puma. God bless you. Thank you.